Alright, this is me backtesting. I'm just trying to do 1 week per video. My fucking win rate is so low, like it's in like the 50s to 60s, but my RR is like at a 1. So I'm trying to figure out how to increase this win rate. All I'm getting for this is SMTs. They're helping my trades win, so any trade with the SMT, like I should use it. As far as losses, hold on. Let me go to my journal. Filter out ads, close journal. So all my losses, all my draws are SMT targets, and then over half of them came from just me not following my rules. Oops, wrong chart. Okay, so yeah, this is what June 2024. So let me go. Let's start on the day. Okay, well we can see playing out this daily gap, and then what did that lead us to? This daily gap right here, and then there is another daily gap all the way up here. So we've already taken out previous day high, 4 hour. So we hit this daily gap, we retrace it to here, and we respect it, look at its reaction up. So I would say that this is probably the draw going into the day. One thing I don't like is actually nothing yet. This is kind of my draw for the day. What is this? Is this previous day high? Monday. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Just took me to the middle of nowhere. Okay, here we are. So similar thing. Wait. 4 hour. I don't like how we're playing in this range right now on the 4 hour. Delete that. We can see this daily gap's holding price. This daily gap right here is holding price too. We haven't touched it since. This is where we're just kind of playing within this. So what is this whole move down from? Because we go down. Wait, what is this? Is this the day open? Okay, so day opens, we accumulate, we go down. We just hit equilibrium is all I see, and then we ride on a higher. So in terms of the PO3, it's kind of how I want to see when we open on a higher time frame candle, we accumulate, and in this scenario we go lower, hopefully to go higher. That's kind of what I want to see. So yeah, we have this as my draw. This just looks like an AMD 15 minute. Damn. Okay, we have gaps here. Shit. We have gaps here, here, and then right now we do have an SMT at this. So there's a possibility we could just run this and this SMT just being nothing, or this SMT can help us rebalance. 30 minute. You have a 30 minute gap right here. 1 hour. Nothing. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Like an SMT. Yeah, I think hopefully we manipulate lower. Okay, we go lower. Okay, we go lower. We take out draws. We do have a little bit of LR here. So, boom. Oh shit, hold on. SMT at these lows. So this would, to me, would just be like the fucking continuation, like Judas continuation. I also want to mark out something else. Let me mark out range high, range low, because I'm trying to study like price. Okay, rejection off the OTE, and see how we're in this discount. So we're in both discount off just price range. So price range, we're in the discount. We did get into this discount. We got reaction up, and then time range too. We have 8:30 open right here, and then the day open somewhere over here. So I'm going to take this. Boom. I'll have my stop at this SMT low version. I'll have my break even at this high, but I'm going to target a day high. Oh my gosh, we're accumulating. Please. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. We have an SMT, bro. Where I'm supposed to go break even, bro. It's probably gonna take us some hours. Stop. Fuck this game, bro. Okay, we have another SMT. But I don't want to be targeting SMTs, bro. What the hell? Today's Monday, June 4th. What the hell? Tuesday, June 4th. Oh, why is Tuesday, June 4th not playing? Bro, FX replay is so ass, bro. Like, I pay fucking $300 a year for y'all to not fucking work properly, dude. Oh, this shit takes forever, dude. Dang, we're going up on the day. Well, FX replay lows. Oh my gosh, bro, we're just ripping up. Okay, FX replay's getting on my fucking nerves. The fuck? Oh my gosh, bro. We fucking took a loss and then my shit crashed, bro. Oh, my girl called me. Bro, I'll call it after I can get this shit. Oh my fucking god. Look at my win rate, bro. 52%. What the f... What the fuck? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So we're in June. I've already done a little bit of this month. My win rate is at like a 56. Or sorry, I've already done a little bit of 2022. Or 2024, whatever the year this is. Okay, so why do I think this lost? We have no low time frame accumulation. That's a valid reason, number one. No low time frame accumulation. I was just attracted to my draws. Because my draws were the higher time frame accumulation, but lower time frame. We have no low time frame accumulation. That led up to the higher time frame accumulation. I mean, this is a data wick, but even here, like once we get it, we have this accumulation leads up to the higher time frame accumulation, and then yeah, it plays out. Okay. I guess I can try to take like a continue. Not a fan of this price action radio. And then we also have all this LR below too. So that's one possible reason for this loss. There's no low time frame LR target. Dog. Shit's ass. Okay, there's 30-second play. We have accumulation, there's 30-second play. I'm trying to watch. This 30-second plays out. This 30-second plays out. But is it something I would take? Because what PD rate are we playing within? I would just be playing within a regular liquidity sweep, and I'm just targeting this intermediate high. What is this low? Do we have an SMT low or something? No, we just have equal lows. No. Nah, I wouldn't take this. Next day. Damn! Okay. I think this is gonna be our draw for the day. Shit. So let's go on the daily. Come on, FXG player. We opened, got into this daily. And then we went lower, we retraced a bit, and then we rejected back up. So, I'm not really bearish, I'm bullish towards whatever this high is. What is this high? Looks like a previous session high, like a previous New York session high. 1 hour, pretty bullish. Look how we retraced into this intermediate low, got up. So this, I don't think we're going to here. Look how we retraced here, and we shot up. So we might not even go to that low either. 15 minute, okay, cool. So we have this 15 minute right here. That 15 minute right there. And these are all probably 30 minutes. Yeah, they're all 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna mark out range high, range low. Okay, let's see what we do. Damn, we instantly go to it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we have accumulation. We hit this OTE part. Yeah, we got a little bit of accumulation right here. Boom. Boom. Fuck it. Boom. What do I not like? LR on my stop. But we can see, I'm taking this with a PO3 continuation approach. We have 830 open here. Didn't manipulate anywhere. We have accumulated highs I can go break even at. We have this high that I can just have as my low hanging fruit. Anything else bad about this? Oh shit. So it's a 1 minute inversion too. What's buns about this trade? I would say my stop. My stop is like slanted LR. And then it's equal lows on ES. Do I fade this or do I take this? I'll fade it just because of my stop. Okay, and then now these lows are SMT'd. So they're SMT'd, but it's still LR. And then I wouldn't count this as a high quality SMT as well. But we have a 5 minute to target, so we would be going break even instantly. Actually, no, I wouldn't even go break even at this 5 minute. Actually, I probably would, because this 5 minute could target all this LR. Boom. So we hit that 5 minute. You have this 1 minute inversion, bro. Shit's buns, bro. Shit's buns. Dude. Would I take this short SMT at these highs? This is a better looking SMT than like that, because it's just like this, an immediate sweep, an immediate inversion. It's just, do we want to go lower when we're insanely bullish? No, I'm gonna fade this for now. Bruh, don't tell me we're gonna run to this shit. Yay. Damn. This price action is kind of booty cheeks, bro. 5 minute inversion is not even the best. I didn't even notice that, to be honest. Okay. Do I want to short? No, not really. So this plays out if you don't go break even. Just the delivery is terrible. You have good accumulation. You have SMT. And then, yeah, we have this SMT. But it's like, what is this targeting? Nothing, and we're playing off of nothing either. And I like that we're bullish. Hopefully we can see like a resweep of this though before we go higher. 8, 9. Damn! Okay, we have news at 9. What do we do? Hopefully this day low can get swept. Bro, look how this session is, dude. We're accumulating. We're probably gonna be bet. It's probably gonna be buns. If I want to enter it, fucking queer ass price action. And then we run up, and then okay. Shit pissing me off, bro. We went sideways for the longest. 9 AM opens. This shit is so fucking annoying. And then look how we just run up. What's the draw? These highs most likely. This could be a continuation, like this 15-minute sweep. Wait, what is this over here? Okay. Bro, hold on. Could have a possible continuation. That true manipulation as well. Okay, we have the soup of this low. Oh. Okay, resoup of this low. Oh my gosh, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Oh man, did I miss my fucking entry? Would I take this? We do have accumulation. We do sweep out these lows. And we do get an SMT. Yeah, I would, but I missed my entry, so in case we get an entry. Bro, another fucking loss. Oh, and then we run up, bro. 2 losses already, bro. 2 losses already. Fucking washed. Why do we stop these lows out? Why do we stop? Do we just add on to more LR? I'm trying to think. Why does this not play? Why does this not play? The inversion isn't the best, I guess. Like, I'm not good at predicting where, like, what is a protected low. Because I thought this low was protected because, like, we hit this 5-minute, we resweep it, and then we get this move up. We resweep it again, and then we get this move up. Like, one of my weaknesses is finding the exact spot where price will reverse after inversions and not being stop hunted on a low time frame, which is exactly what happens. Like, my draw, me identifying my draws on a higher time frame, pretty fucking easy. Like, I'm not bad at it. I'm pretty good at identifying it. I'm pretty good at being correct on it. But just when it comes to the lower time frame, yeah, like, I'm fucking getting stop hunted, or like I'm just flat out getting fucked. Like this case I got stop hunted and then we went higher. Last case, same thing kind of, but sometimes I'll just get like straight up butt fucked, dude. Like the price will go all the way down here and then continue higher. So I don't know. I'm trying to figure out why I'm so bad at that shit. Reset chart view. Oh my gosh, we're just running up. We're in all-time highs. We're on all-time highs. Alright, bet. All-time high just means longs. And Okay, so we have SMTs at all-time highs is what I see. We are very overextended. We did tap into this gap, this 4 hour right here. We have another 4 hour just right here. 1 hour. We have a 1 hour right here. Just gonna try this out. So it'd probably be safer for us to wait for this level to get swept out and then this 1 hour to get swept out before going higher. Oops. Then what is that high? The fuck? $7.15. Okay, so these are data highs. It's both 7.15 and 7.30 are just enormous wicks. So those are data highs. What do I want to see? Can we please like break out of this accumulation zone and then go lower? 5 minute. Damn, bro, just looking nothing. The accumulation. There you go. Oh fuck. Okay, we SMT'd our draws too. I bet you this was the SMT. That probably helped the price dump lower. But what do we tap into, bro? So let's just say in case we don't want to go to this low, we have OTE, which OTE is not getting respected. But let's mark out 830 open. 830 opens here. 845 opens lower. Okay, can we sweep that low? We have this SMT right here. So now I'm not really looking at this, but I'm looking at how we are in this rejection block. I don't use rejection blocks. I prefer a sweep because a sweep would be like the most A+ one. Let me see. We sweep this low out again. Maybe we can get a mech. Nah, no mech or anything. There's just this AMD setup, like this manipulation swept out this low. 15 minutes, 15-second inversion. Okay, 9 o'clock comes out soon. 7. Okay, bet. Alright, now we have this SMT. We hit this hourly gap. Let's see what we do from here. 8, 9. Boom. 9 o'clock. So let's bring this SMT over here. When 9 o'clock opens, no manipulation to the downside. This just looks like a higher time from AMD, obviously. Ooh, we have a 5-minute mech too. Okay. 2, 3. Alright, look. Let me delete that gap. So we have this inversion right here. 9 AM has no manipulation to the downside, but we have this SMT paired with like a higher time frame candle opening. So I'm just going to assume 9 AM, like, let's just say this whole move up is manipulation instead of distribution of this higher time frame accumulation for this high time frame AMD. I assume that we would want to manipulate to this 5-minute gap. So the lower time frame manipulation move inlines with the higher time frame distribution move, if that makes sense. That's my thought process. Okay, and then I'm gonna have my shit out at here. 5 minute. I'll target these data highs, bro, because the data high is also all-time high. Oh shit! Hold on. Boom, boom. Fuck. Okay, that's my break-even point. I just realized I'm not even on that fucking hard time. There you go. So if we're gonna go lower, like all this shit is accumulation, we're gonna take out 9 AM. So shorts might be the move, especially since these highs are SMT'd. Damn, and we just tapped into a 15 minute as well. Like this is a 15-minute gap. Okay, so that's break even. Fuck, so 2 losses and a break even. Where's my entry center? Right here. Yo, fuck you. We inverse that fucking 15 minute. Oh, fuck this price action, bro. Now we have an SMT with this low. Damn, bruh. The delivery is bad. Why do I think we have bad delivery? Maybe because our draws are SMT'd, but they're data highs. We rebalanced though, like we rebalanced. Only thing is like, I guess how overextended you are. Maybe we want to rebalance. What do we do for the next hour? I mean, we're going a little bit lower, just going slow. Okay, cool. Now it's Friday. Gosh, bro, what the fuck is this? Why are we sweeping out the previous day high, nigga? Alright, we kind of swept out this previous day high. And then we're rebalancing this range. So we can see now we're playing out of this daily gap. 4 hour. Playing out of this 4 hour. 1 hour. You can see, yeah, we swept these lows. 15 minute. We're playing within this 15 minute right now. So one of two things can happen because we kind of already took out all-time high and we souped it. We can either boom, because we are low-key in a premium on both the higher time frame and lower time frame, or right here, if we go higher, we would be above a premium. We can either A, go higher into this 15-minute gap, sweep these, and then target lower for like a mech, or we can just go lower, hit this 15-minute, then target higher for continuation, or we can just flat out just disrespect this 15-minute continuation and target all-time high. I'm open to both, so let's see. So data high still intact. Boom, W, and W accumulation right there. 30-second time frame, 15-second time frame. This is like an awesome accumulation. That's actually really good accumulation. Yeah. Let me make sure there's no 30-second too. I don't really take 15-second trades, but I'm trying to get used, trying to study them, bro. But I like this accumulation. Fuck it, I'll get it out of 1-to-1. Because this high isn't really. I'll get out the 1-to-1. Is this 8:30 open? 8:30. No, 8:30 opens right here. So I'll actually target the 8:30 open. Let's see, and then break even right there. Pretty quick break even, bro. Okay, break even. We're still playing within this 15 minute. Immediately. So this could be a continuation, you know, 15 minute. Sorry, daily gap into a 15-minute gap. We have accumulation. Are about to have an SMT as well. Make sure there's no news. 7:30, 7:30, 7:30. Okay, cool. What the fuck? Oh, fuck you. Fucking create equal lows and then we just run up, bro. So I guess the draw is this data high. So yeah. Fuck, dude, I'm like fucking buns at this shit. Should I have gone break even or no? I don't know, let's just... Okay, possible continuation. Bro, we're just going sideways. This 15 minute is holding. So look how we get back into the premium range. And we fail to go higher. Matter of fact, where is 9 AM open? 51. 9 AM open is right here. So I'm just trying to combine premium, like the range premium, price premium with the time premium. 9 AM, what do? We go higher, nothing. We go higher, we test this equilibrium point. Okay, and now we have this SMT. We have accumulation to the lows inside the premium. You can see this SMT. And then where do we manipulate to? This 30-second gap. Or sorry, 1 minute gap. We have accumulation, we have equal lows here. Dog, what the fuck is this booty ass? I think we're just gonna add on to the accumulation. Why the fuck does it always freeze? Oh my gosh, top sec or whatever this FX replay is so gay, dude. This is the 3rd time it happened. Okay, I mean we have a 1 minute inversion. Like look at this rejection wick. Nothing looks promising. Okay. So we don't have an SMT, but we retweak this high. We have 9 AM open combined with 9:30 open right there. No SMT. ES looks like it's probably going to go to that data high. If we reject from here, we set this high. If we reject from here, I think we're gonna go lower and take all this LR. No, we're going higher. To the data high. That ES is about to hit. Fucking bitch ass for a second. Okay, that's an obvious draw. That's... What the fuck is this fucking price action, dude? Oh, we have an SMT at these lows. Or sorry, these highs. There's probably like a 5-minute inversion. Yeah, there's a 5-minute inversion. We have OSL right there. And then, do we clear it out? No, we struggle to clear it out. Fuck you. I don't trade these this late into the session, but I'm just trying to like study this shit. Okay, we rebalance. So we're in premium. We rebalance premium. So many drawings. So we get into premium of this range and into premium of this range. We respect it. These are SMT highs. Oops. This is a 5-minute gap that we're projecting off of. Oh, well, I would have to wait for that one to get inversed then. So this long played out. I just got break evened. What other possible setups were there? Nothing. We're just creating lows to target, lows to target, lows to target. There's generally no other setups to take, dude. Alright, that's 30 minutes of me fucking having an L week. 51% win rate, 55% win rate. Here's my stats. Wait, I took one trade every day. I got break even. I don't remember this break even. Thursday break even. Damn. That's my last month stats. Fuck it. Yep, okay.